Okay.
That's first.
That's the gears, yeah?
Yep. Second,
Second.
third and fourth.
Fourth,
And
yeah.
reverse, you go into first. And then you go through first into reverse.
Okay, and what is this?
That's your handbrake.
Handbrake, yeah? And then what are these?
Hand throttle, and that's your ignition timing.
So what do you mean by ignition timing?
So how early in the rotation of the engine the spark fires.
Okay.
So the faster you're revving, the further right you go, and then the slower you're revving, the further left you go.
Okay, that's very nice. And what is this actually?
That's the starter. You'll see me use that in just 1 second.
And this is a fuel tank?
Can.
Fuel can.
Can, yeah. I don't use it.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, very nice. And this is going to be on my YouTube channel. You don't mind, dear?
You go for it. Enjoy it.
Check for Arshad Majid, ARSHAD,
Okay.
MAJID. Hopefully it'll be there.
Excellent. Marvelous.
Thank you.
Have a great
So,
day.
you too. So nice of you. And we need, for a great day, we need some sunshine.
Oh,
I hope we get it. And no rain. No rain. Okay.